Hi Retreats Resources family. My name is Christine Tarpey and I am with Together Beverage, and we are a local beverage company here in the 38 area. We specialize in in-house bars, cocktail seminars, restaurant consulting. If it's got alcohol, we basically do it. And we're so excited to be here today. Our good friends at St. Joe Club and Resorts invited us here to make a very infamous cocktail in the area, known as Summer on 30A. And so let's get started on this cocktail and get to drinking. So to keep it in the theme of summer, we're going to start with some watermelon. So you need 3 good-sized cubes of watermelon, and we're going to drop this directly into our cocktail shaker. Then it calls for 2 cucumber wheels. So we're going to drop those directly into our cocktail shaker as well. And next we need to muddle the fruit. So as we muddle, what we're doing is we're slowly expressing all the juices out of the watermelon and incorporating the delicious freshness of the cucumber wheels, which just screams summertime. So once we have this nice and muddled, we're gonna set our muddler aside and we're gonna add all the other ingredients. So very important cocktail ingredient on Summer on 38 is Distillery 98 vodka. This is a local vodka made from 100% organic corn. We love these guys, we love their product. So since it's a summertime cocktail, we're gonna go nice and stiff and do 2 ounces of this delicious vodka. We're gonna pour directly into our cocktail shaker. Next, we're going to use an elderflower liqueur. This liqueur is nice and floral and has a little bit of sweetness to it. We're going to do a 0.25 ounce into the cocktail shaker. And then next, we're going to be doing Giffard Madagascar vanilla liqueur. As it sounds, it tastes like vanilla. It's nice and baking spices and sweet. Another 0.25 ounce of this. So now we have our 3 liquors. And next we're going to be adding a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Fresh squeeze is key. This always tastes better than the bottled stuff. So we're going to do a whole 1 ounce of lemon juice. And then lastly, we're going to add a little bit of Basil simple syrup. All you have to do is take equal parts sugar and hot water and a good handful of basil and blend it together until all the sugar is dissolved and everything is fully incorporated. And then you're going to strain out all the solids and you're left with this beautiful herbal simple syrup, which gives this whole cocktail a delicious backbone. And for that, we did a 0.5 ounce of the Basil simple. So the only thing missing now is ice. So let's get to shaking. We want a good amount of ice because we want to continue to mix all the lemon, the lime, everything together. I'm gonna shake nice and hard. And you can hear that watermelon and cucumber all mixing together with the vodka. All right, nice and frosty mixing. And next, we're going to take our Collins glass with ice cubes, and we're going to strain. But not only are we going to strain, we're going to double strain. And all this does is remove all the solids from the fruit that we just muddled out of the cocktail. So you're left with this delicious watermelon summertime cocktail. And the color is gorgeous. We just love this cocktail. All right, got that nice and strained, give it a couple taps, don't want to waste any vodka. And then we're going to garnish. So what we've done is we've thinly sliced a piece of watermelon. We're going to put this right on the edge of the cocktail. And then we're going to take our straw, glass of course, gotta save the turtles. And because it's summertime and we're at the beach, might as well add a little umbrella. And here you have it. This is the Summer on 30A. Not only does it look like Summer on 30A, it also tastes like Summer on 30A. Oh yeah, it's delicious. You're gonna absolutely love this cocktail. You can find this around town at some local bars, or you can enjoy it at home, but we hope you have a wonderful stay here on 30A while you're here, and cheers.